In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an RSVP link on Canva. First, open Canva and head to your home page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up and log in. But once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you can either open an existing design, like an invitation you've already started, or create a brand new one. For an RSVP link, most people use invitations, event flyers, or social media posts. So pick the format that best matches where you'll be sharing this. Once your design is open, take a moment to finalize the look of your invitation. Adjust your text, colors, and images so everything feels ready to send out. It's much easier to add the RSVP link after your layout is more or less finished, so you don't accidentally move things around later. Next, decide where you want people to click to RSVP. This could be a line of text that says, "Click here to RSVP," a button shape that you add from the Elements tab, or even a small icon. Make sure whatever you choose is clearly visible and easy to understand. If you're using text, type out your RSVP call to action, then select it so it's highlighted. Now, with your text or element selected, look at the top toolbar for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on that, and a field will appear where you can paste your RSVP URL. This could be a link to a form you created with a form builder, a survey tool, or even a simple contact form on your website. Paste the full link. Double-check that there are no extra spaces, and then apply or save the link. If you used a shape or button instead of text, the process is the same. Click the element, choose the link icon, paste in your RSVP URL, and apply it. Consider styling the text so it looks clickable, maybe with an underline or a different color, just to make it obvious for your guests. When your link is set, it's time to download or share your design. For clickable links, you'll want to download it as a PDF, or share it as a digital design directly through Canva. Static image formats like JPEG or PNG will not keep the link clickable. So, choose the PDF option. Download your file, and then test it by opening the PDF and clicking the RSVP area to make sure it goes to the right place. Once everything works, you're ready to send your invitation to your guests with a fully functional RSVP link created in Canva.